You are watching Chestnut Ridge Outdoors.
Alrighty gang, so today we're going to be doing a personal review of the Icotec GC300 Predator Call. This call, as you can see, is extremely affordable, lightweight and compact. It's got a 300-yard remote to console range, which for the price is pretty good. And there's also an external speaker jack that's included with it. It's a wonderful call for the price. Really, I wouldn't recommend anything else. I use it and it's great. So when you purchase the package, there are three things that are included that are obviously very important. The game call itself, which is a no-brainer. The remote control, which you can see on the left of the picture there, actually can slide into the console, which keeps it from getting lost, which is really smart on their part. And what's really cool is a 1-year factory warranty. So if you're carrying it out in the field and it combusts or something insane like that, you can take it back and you're good to go. So before I get into the sample recordings of the different calls on here, just to conclude everything we've talked about, it's got a great design and it's very portable, easy to use. The battery life so far has been great, and it's called in crows for me by accident, which is kind of funny, but you know, it's accurate at least for crows, so it's pretty much guaranteed to be accurate for yotes to an extent, you know, as long as you're not taken out in the utter cold. But for its price range, man, you can't beat this call. It is just awesome. So let's get into the calls and the different sounds, and I'm gonna have this set up for you right now.